Today I'm going to show you how you can install a free template. So if you want to download free template, please go to the free template. There are a lot of free template here. If you want to download any of this template for free, please check the video description. I added a video link there how you can download this template for free. So I'm going to install a template today as the design demo. So this one I'm going to install as this design. So please click on this template and it will redirect to the single page, and there are a lot of information. If you want, you can check it. If you want to see this template, please click on live preview, and this is the live preview of the template, and there are many pages here. If you want to install this template, please follow this instruction. I already installed a fresh WordPress and there is nothing here. You can see that this is the fresh WordPress install here. So before install this template, you have to install a theme here. So I'm just going to install a free theme that is called Hello Elementor. So I'm going to install it and activate. So when you download this free template, you will get a zip file. You have to extract this file, and there are several files here. You have to open this one and you will get 3 files here. First one is the zip file, and you also get footer file and the header template file. So I'm going to install this template to this fresh WordPress. I have to install a plugin first. You can see that there are required plugins here. You have to install the required plugins. But I am going to install Elementor Website Builder, that is a free plugin, and I have to install and activate it. Now I will go to Elementor, then Tools, then I have to click on Import and Export button, then I have to click on Start Importing, then I will import the Elementor kit zip file here. So I am going to drag the file here, and you can see that we have to install this plugin. So just click on the next button. The plugin will be installed also automatically. You can see that classic editor Elementor already activated, Elementor header and footer builder activated, WP from is activated. You can skip it if you don't have any SVGA file. If you have any SVGA file, you can enable it. So I have to click on close button. Then we will go to appearance, then click on Elementor header, then click on add new. We are just going to add header and footer template, so you can skip it. I have to name it header. Then I have to select type of template. This is the header, and display on, this will be display on entire website. Then I have to click on publish. Now I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. You have to insert the header template here. So I'm just going to click on add template, then click on import template. Then I have to drag the header template here. Header template already imported. Now you have to insert the header. Header already imported, and we will add the logo later. So going to click on update button. Now we are going to back and click on add new. We have to insert the footer template. Same way, you have to select footer, then you have to select the display on entire website and have to click on publish. Then I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. I have to click on add template, import template, and we are just going to drag the file here, and you can see the footer template have to insert. So footer already imported and I have to click on update. Now we are going to add a logo. So click on appearance and then customize. Then click on site identity. Then click on logo. We are going to add a logo. Drag the logo file here. So logo, we don't have to crop this logo. Click on publish button. Now we are going to backend, open the website. You can see that everything is already imported. Now you have to insert the images here. That is very easy. Click on edit with Elementor. You can add the image. Simply drag the image file here. Image already added. Same way you can add the image, others images. So that is very easy. You can add the all the images here. So the same way you can add others here. Also you can add image, and click on the update button. Now you can preview the page and you can see that the template is already imported as like as this one. Okay, so if you have any question or face any problem to import this template or any of the free template from Elementor, you can join us our community that is fully free, and there are a lot of experts here to help you. Also you can join Facebook group and LinkedIn group. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.